In this video, I will show you how to download images from Google. To get started, what you want to do is open up an internet browser. So I'll be using Google Chrome, but you can follow this process exactly the same if you prefer to use something like Firefox or Microsoft Edge. Now, once you've done that, head over to google.com, and what you want to do is search for the kind of images that you want to download. What I'm going to do is just type my channel name into here like this, and then give that a search. Once you've done that, if you come up to the top, you want to click onto images and then find the image that you want to download. So let's say, for example, I wanted to download my channel logo. I'm just going to give it a click. What that's going to do is open up a screen on the right hand side. And from here, you just simply need to right click onto the image. And from this menu that comes up, you're going to see an option to save image as. Give that a click. That's going to open up your computer's file explorer. And what you can do is use this to select where you want to download the image to on your computer or laptop. So for example, if I wanted to download this onto my desktop, I would click onto desktop. And then what I can do is give the file a name down here. So I'm just going to call this one example image. And once that's done, you can click the save button at the bottom. So as you can see, that's now going to download this onto your computer or laptop. And when we click this, you're going to see it's going to open up the downloaded image. So that is how to download images from Google. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more Google and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.